another Monday makeover. Now I am pre-filming these as always, so yeah. But today's Monday makeover is going to be slightly different. Instead of just using one palette, I'm actually going to be using some project pan items. I want to show you how I pull together a few different items and make one look. So I actually created this look yesterday, was going to take a picture of it and put it up on Instagram, but then realised my husband had took my phone to go Pokemon hunting with it, so I couldn't do that. So today's Monday makeover is going to be a full face using Project Pan items. So very, very purple, pink lip. It's absolutely stunning. As I say, I did this look yesterday. I wanted to take a picture up to put on Instagram on my phone, but my husband had my phone, so I thought I would do it in a Monday makeover instead. So I used two palettes. One is the Sleek Eye Divine Makeup Palette in Vintage Romance, and the other one is an Essence palette in Mermaid Eyeshadow Box number 3, My Shell is My Castle. These are obviously both in Project Pans. This one is in my Valentine's Day, and this one is in my Panning Games Project Pan. So, my thoughts. I really, really love the colours in this palette. I think they're really good quality. I think they're really pigmented. They blend really nicely. I absolutely love this palette. I have quite a few Sleek palettes now. I think I have 4. So, and my advent calendar this year is Sleek. So, yeah, I do love Sleek makeup. So, big hit with me. And the Essence palette, well, okay, when I first got this, let me open it up. The clasp is a little tight, so I have to use a thing. When I first got it, I obviously bought it because there's a mermaid on the front, obviously. And I love the design that the picture is just drawn on the front, and then the colours are coming from the palette. I absolutely love the design of this palette. But when I first started using it, I kind of was trying to use these greens here and some of these pinks, and I didn't think much to the pigmentation. I didn't think much to the colours. I didn't like the fact that they're tiny little pans and there's no, like, it's all flush. So the powder kickoff from each colour is going straight into the next colour beside it, and it was kind of tainting the colours a little bit. But, and I pretty much, like, I'd counted this out as a palette to use, in all honesty. I was like, this is probably a palette I am never going to use. But yesterday I tried this colour, and my God, it's stunning. It's that purple blue shifty colour, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so it is like that. So I don't know if you can see the shift, a beautiful lilac and blue shift. It's just stunning, absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I think it's such a stunning look. So yeah, really happy on both of these palettes now. In fact, I actually love this colour so much that I checked in all of my other palettes to try and find a very similar colour so that I don't use all of this up, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So it's a unique colour in my collection. So I need to find another one or buy this palette again. Simple as. It's only about £5 or £6, something like that. So very cheap. So I could always go and buy a backup of that because that colour is divine. The lip colour I used was a Colourpop Lippy Sticks in Little Tings. This is also in my Cupid's Bow Valentine's Day project pan. I do love these lippy sticks. I love their formula. This one is a cream, so it's nice and creamy on your lips. It's not drying at all. It does mean that I will have to reapply it during the day, but I don't mind that. But yeah, really do like the colour, and the beautiful tip on it that you get is really great, so you can really get to the edge of your lips without actually having to use a lip liner at all. So yeah, really like that. So yeah, that was my Monday makeover using all of my project pan items. There was obviously some items that weren't in project pans, but that's because I didn't have that particular type of product in a project pan, so I had to use from my normal stash anyway. So I will stop waffling now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and comment and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you'll be notified when my next video goes up, and I will see you in that next video. Bye!